Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Jira login problems, project, and permission errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the correct Jira URL for your company and not an old bookmark. Check whether you are on Jira Cloud or Jira Data Center/server because the admin screens differ. Try an incognito/private browser window to rule out cached sessions and extensions. If you see you don't have permission after login, note the exact project key shown in the message. Ask a Jira admin to verify your account is active and not suspended or deactivated. If you use SSO, confirm you are signed in with the correct identity provider account and email. Reset your password only if your Jira setup allows local passwords and you are not forced to SSO. Have an admin check that you are a member of the right groups in user management or the directory. In Jira Cloud, open the project and go to Project Settings. Then People, and confirm your user is listed. If you are not listed, add your user to the project with a basic role like member or developer. In Jira Cloud, go to Settings, System, Global Permissions, and ensure you have Jira Software Access or Jira Work Management Access as needed. If you cannot even see projects, confirm you have the Browse Users and Groups and Jira Users Style access depending on your version. Next, check the project permission scheme and verify you have the Browse Projects permission. If you can browse but cannot create issues, verify you have the Create Issues permission for that project. If you can create but cannot edit, confirm Edit Issues is granted to your role, group, or user. If you get errors when transitioning issues, verify Transition Issues permission in the same scheme. For missing Agile boards, ensure you have View Development Tools if required and Board Filter access. Open the board filter and confirm you have permission to view the saved filter behind the board. If the board says you cannot access the filter, share the filter with your group, project role, or any logged-in user per policy. If you see only some issues, check Issue Security Levels and confirm your user is included in the security level. If issues are hidden by security, update the Issue Security Scheme to include your project role or group. If you get Project does not exist, confirm you have the correct project key and the project is not archived. Ask an admin to check project permissions for anonymous access settings if you are trying to view without login. For API or mobile login failures, generate a new API token in Atlassian account settings and update your client. If you recently changed groups or roles, log out, clear cookies for the Jira domain, and log in again to refresh permissions. Have the admin review the Permission Helper tool on the exact project and permission that fails. Apply the smallest necessary change, then retest by opening the project and creating a test issue. Document what group, role, and permission scheme change fixed it so it can be repeated safely later. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.